Hello friends, we are starting our session of our organized self-employment ministry and budget. This is our 31st session. This is fiscal credit table for the organized work in the uniform way for the development of the society. By this way, we will develop by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. We have to develop one principle for organized self-employment, that is right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. Preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. Our constitutional life for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office between 0 to 18 years if required and 18 to 58 years for we all. If required, it should be documented. We should organize by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. This is organized self-employment ministry 31st session. I am taking this session from my house, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. From where you can, by calling on this number, you can purchase Truth Only Trump's book also. By this concept, we can by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we can become self-employment government servant. This fiscal credit is like railway track. By this fiscal credit table, we can become organized self-employed. Whatever work we are doing, by the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing per month, even per day, we can start our organized work. For this, I have made arrangement in my house for understanding room number 1 to 6. First room is for the Shiv Shakti Mandir, which is I have estimated 175 crore document. For in that 12 document, Jyotir document, I have tried to take the shadow of that and try to present it with the documentation system by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. Then second is the Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, second room. And for that I have taken 12 Jyotir Mandir for that, so that the work can be done by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. This is the fiscal credit table. Third room I have made for the ISBN, the Brahma Saraswati, that is the ISBN, the Hindu writers of all subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, math, science, economics, social science, sociology, all the ISBN books, so that by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, we can become self-employed. And the fourth room I have allowed for the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagavad, and on that basis full women, those who are successfully understanding by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit by this fiscal table. The fifth room I have allotted to the each united Varshkrit God and Goddess, the Varshkrit God and Goddess which we are worshipping by the document system, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. By this, the concept is coming into 20 into 5 is equal to 100%, and from there I have divided into the government document system, that is the government democratic support system 16.66 into 6, that is 100%, and sixth room is going to the democratic constitution of India, that is parliament, RBI, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat by the document system. We are the sons and daughters of the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham and government Dham. The rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham and each united god and goddess Dham. We have to organize ourselves in the organized self-employment ministry and budget by the organized self-employment ministry system, by which we will be able to make ourselves self-employment government job so that it will develop our life. The regular by this fiscal credit table, whatever age we are from 0 to 18, if we require employment due to any eventuality, we can immediately come in our table in the organized self-employment ministry at Sharadapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, by accepting this concept, and we can become self-employment government servant. Similarly, from 18 to 58 years, if we are requiring the fiscal credit salary and the work, what work we are doing, that is okay. And with our table and chair, by understanding this fiscal credit table, as we have the railway budget which has been started in 1860 and annual budget which has been started in the 1860, we can start this. I have explaining this concept from 2001. For this, a gathering of worship also I have made between 16 February to 26 February with six the soil ideal of these six pair god and goddess: Shiv, Parvati, Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha, Amita, Vilasa, Brahma, Saraswati, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba, and her husband, each united worshipped god and goddess there of infinite times, and the government of India, Bharat Mata and Bharat Dev. On this basis, six family in the point of Amit Kumar Jha, Sharadapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, and the second puja 31st August to the 11th September by 6 pair of the murti of this god and goddess. In English we can say welfare power, that is Shiv, Parvati, Vishnu, Lakshmi, that is life money, law education, that is Brahma, Saraswati, the Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, and her husband, that is family and her husband, worshipped god and goddess as truth savior, each united truth savior and each united truth savioress, and the government of India, time husband, time wife. On this basis, six family on the point and making puja, and by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to this table, we are becoming self-employed government servant. And by this I have tried to make understand by the concept 750 MPs who are in the Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. They are working and organizing us and looking after us from 26 January 1950. We will sign the document by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit based on this table, and automatically we will become self-employed government servant. What work we are doing? This table is imaginary table. We can immediately fall it to 10 rupees also, 5 rupees also, according to the verdict of organized self-employment ministry finance. On the state wise also we can do it by this table, and in this way we can become self-employment government servant and organized document part. Similarly from the Vidhan Sabha side also, we can also 4,500 MLAs who are looking after in different states all over India. All will also we will sign in front of them also in the state assemblies, and automatically this fiscal credit table will be connected to the Prime Minister and the organized self-employment ministry, finance minister, and the chief minister and the finance ministers of the organized self-employment ministry. We are belonging from the we all citizen 130 crore. I have tried to make the concept understand by 120 crore, 20 crore each for the each Rashtrapati Bhavan. I have tried to put the Shiv Puran as the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Shiv Shakti, the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vaikunth Dham. I have tried to put the Brahma Saraswati as Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Rashtrapati Bhavan Brahma Saraswati, that is law education. I have tried to put the concept in the form of Durga Sabji Devi Bhavan as Rashtrapati Bhavan Adi Shakti Jagadamba. I have tried to put the concept Varshkrit as Rashtrapati Bhavan, Varshkrit God and Goddess. I have tried to put the concept of the Constitution of India as the government house Rashtrapati Bhavan. These 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan I have tried to make by signaturing. I am putting in the front of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, original Rashtrapati Bhavan which we have in the Raisana Hill. Automatically we will be bounded by the documents, and our head will be the 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs. And with that the industrial 750 industrial multinational corporation and 4500 state multinational corporation. Similarly, educationist and the the scientist of Hindus and the press, all will be head. Automatically 750 is national level and 4500 is state level. Similarly, the women, the truth non-violence women, all will be there. Automatically this will develop us in the organized state. In 6th form we can develop the organized self-employment ministry. This is the book Truth Only Trumps, which I have written. On this basis I am trying to preach this so that we can understand this self-employment ministry. This book I am selling also in the market. You can purchase from me by calling on my number 6397360717. Automatically you can get from the Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. This is self-employment government job system, 100% self-employment government job system. Only thing is that this is documented system. We are becoming the vote bank of 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs. By the document system we can easily understand organized self-employment ministry, because by our chair and table we can sit at the Amit Kumar Jha center, where whatever according to the fiscal credit table, like I have tried to divide the by signature. Those who are not knowing signature, like poverty ridden people, 22% of the people are below poverty line. Then on the basis of that some are the signature known people, then some are 5th pass, some are 8th pass, some are 10th pass, some are 12th pass, some are graduate, some are postgraduate, some are the DLET, some are the MPhil, some are the PhD. So I have tried to make a slab where the center of the self-employment means self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. We can sit at according to our age and according to our qualification together, and automatically the development will start coming, because the organized society is always the path of development. By this fiscal credit table, a uniform self-employment government system will come, because this self-employment government job system will give a regular salary. Because from my concept, if 5 rupees is fixed from the government side as a self-employment government servant, and we are becoming the vote bank by the document signing method, what will happen? All the political party president will be attached to it, because that document will go to the all political party, state government political party, and to the respective central government political party. And the documented part from Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. This document path will be made. We have to understand that the document path is always good, because by this we will be able to automatically control ourselves. As we are writing, according to that we will try to move, because it will give a mark that we are the son of the Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and the Brahma Saraswati Puran, that ISBN and the Durga Sabji and Devi Bhagavat, and is united Varshkrit God and Goddess, and the Constitution of India. And we are moving on a democratic path by the organized setup of development. And the work we are doing according to our will. There is optional work in the organized self-employment ministry, because what work we are doing, that is being validated on the uniform system of organized self-employment ministry. This is organized self-employment ministry budget, Amit Kumar Jha 31st session, which I am presenting in front of you. I have tried to explain you to understand that the organized self-employment ministry budget is self-earning, self-work, certain cash, fiscal credit, showing is self-employment government job by which we are getting self-employment government job fiscal credit salary. If 10 rupees is also fixed, that means we are earning 10 rupees, that means 12 month we are getting 120 rupees, and on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, DNS allowance also coming. We also are working in the private sector in different form. I have tried to conceptualize by signing the signature 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below in front of the 750 by the concept wise 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs of the different political parties who are working the organized Bharat Mata concept and moving the civilization with this 750 multinational corporation of Hindus central level and 4,500 on the state level. Similarly, with the educationists for 750 educationists, scientists, press, and the various types of the lawyers, and central level and on the state level 4,500 according to the MLAs we have. The 4,500 the press and the lawyers and the scientists of Hindus and the teachers, professors according to that. Similarly, 750 central level women and 4,500 women who are working on the state level. And similarly, truth and non-violence 750 and 4,500 on the ground level. Similarly, the government servant who are the sons and daughters of these documents 750 central level and 4,500, so that we can organize by the organized self-employment ministry, and by documenting system we can move in the documented path. This document path will later directly to the direct ministry by the indirect method of our representatives, because directly we are linked to the Prime Minister and CM, but from the document method we are becoming in the secretariat through the self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain. Try to understand the concept. By direct method we are directly linked to the Prime Minister and MP, but by the document method we are moving in that, and on the way we are getting per month fiscal credit salary. If 1 rupees is fixed from the government side, means 12 rupees from the government side is fixed, and the transfer, self transfer we can make to the animal. Private sector 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. Employment we will equilibrium employment we will sign. On that basis what will happen, the 70% population is below 30,000 per month earner, and 30% is per month above earner. In that 12-18 ratio is there, but that is not to be explained. We have to understand this concept only, and we will be under the control of the equilibrium point of the employment 70% people, and in lieu of that we will be organized by the organized self-employment ministry. We will be having 3 budget system: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry and budget. This will help us to mobilize our path of development, because double salary we will be getting. One we will be getting from the fiscal credit salary, and one we will be getting from the getting from the our private sector, because our private sector is also giving us salary. Most of we are working in the private sector by this fiscal credit table, a uniform system, and we can immediately put it on the railway station and on the parliament, everywhere, whatever the public places is, because this will be our self-employment. We will be the son of 6 unborn Hindu mandir which is present, and which has 1175 crore documents, which documents we will keep in the Sardapur. By the assumption methods I have tried to put in the Sardapur, in my house, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126, so that the understanding can be. Control I have tried to made by 2 method, 130,000 per month above and 130,000 per month below. Apart from this I have tried to put the system of the court martial connection, so that the each race which is coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united god and goddess Dham, which race these are, we will be connecting by the document method, by signing the document. All the illiterate by the thumb impression, and the signature known by the signature, and rest by the certificate method they can sign the document. And according to age the document will also increase, because the fiscal credit salary will move according to the organized self-employment ministry, finance commission, and the public opinion which we have generated by the 15th August 1947. Because we have to understand that the politics in the way of this, we have to understand that the 6 room are there in that. 6 room are there in that. In the first room, from 1 to 6, one room is allotted to the devoted politician of 31st August 1946, who has, by spending their money, had fought the independence. Though we have given the Swatantra Senani their money, but what is there? Now we have to understand that everyone is earning. That is to be required, and that is coming by the uniform fiscal credit salary system which we want to develop. Second, one room is of the industrialists, who are devoted industrialists, who are day and night caring for the India, that how we can make a better India and how we can make a marketing India where we can purchase and make in India concept. The third is of the ISBN India, who has been writing books, different types of books we have read of the different. Some of them have got the Nobel Prize and are Bharat Ratna and other types of all the great writers. 12 Jyotir book we are taking, and we are being influenced by that document, ISBN document, Path of Hindus, the Rashtriya Kavi and all. Similarly, one room is of the women, the women of India, who has been devoting us and guiding us principle as a mother, sister, daughter-in-law, daughter, and as wife. Every types of work she has done, and as a friend, every type of work she has done, and she has cared us. One room is of the truth and non-violence, who has been giving truth and non-violence guidance to us in all our life, throughout our life. And one room is of the government, who has been always with us at all the times, whenever our country has been in danger, and whenever we have been enjoying all over all World Cup, all the series what we have been. All the 6 families are there, and we all are the followers of that. We will become self-employed government servant, and on that basis we will become self-employed government servant, and we will have the fiscal credit salary at the, by bringing our own chair and table. According to that, we can by the rented flat taken by the Amit Kumar Jha, we can sit at that time, and automatically we can organize our self-employment government job, and double work system automatically will develop, because one work we are doing from the private sector and one work we are doing from the politician side, because we will become the voters also, because all the politicians are doing unitedly work on the level of national level and state level, but in the election time everyone has to fight their own vote bank. Similarly, every we are sitting in one office only, and they can guide us by their influential idea, because we all are self-employed and promoting according to the grade A to Z, or grade 1 to infinite, according to the educational certificate, because I have tried to put the right of educational certificate in capital value. On this the promotion is also there, and fiscal credit salary will also increase, so automatically there will be the ray of hope of getting promotion. Also, I have tried to put the documentation system of the agreement for promotion into 30,000 above, because all are visiting in the organized self-employment ministry, because illiterate labor are also living in organized self-employment ministry, because from room 1 to for this organized self-employment ministry and budget. See, I have tried to put the Amit Kumar Jha working room, illiterate room, signature known room, 5th class room, 8th class room, 10th class pass room, 12th class pass room, graduation pass room, post graduation pass room, MPhil pass room, and DLED pass room, and PhD pass room. So on that basis, according to the age 0 to 18 as we require, and 18 to 58 we all according to our state, as we are doing the elections. For the elections we have different electoral roll. Similarly, we have made voter card, and similarly we have made photo election INT card. Now when the election is being organized, what we are doing, by the Election Commission of India centrally, we are parting into different part, and on state wise we are parting different parts, and according to that we are doing. Similarly, on the national basis, by the organized self-employment ministry, when we are signing the document by the Amit Kumar Jha concept, and by the presence of 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs spread in the different parts of India, we are signing as self-employed government servant on the uniform employment system, that is self-employment government job system, because what work we are doing, that is being given validity, means our self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit has been given validity. The position is same, We are becoming self-employed government servant now. By the document system, the work they are doing, our work is also attached to the 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs and 750 multinational Hindus, industries, and 750 educationists, scientists, and the press, and the legal lawyers nationally who are working, 750 national level women who are working for India, 750 truth and non-violence who are working for India, and 750 government servant who are working for the India national level. Automatically by signing the document, we are entering into the central documented system. Similarly, 4500 MLAs from the different political party who are working in the different Vidhan Sabha, and 4500 multinational corporation Hindus who are working in the industrial sector in India for the industry province. 4500 educationists, scientists, lawyers, and press who are working for the state level for the development of India. By the document method we are signing. Similarly, 4500 women of different states who are working for the development of women community in India. By the documents method we are signing to it. And similarly, 4500 truth and non-violence who are guiding us principle in India on the different level, non-violence and other, all are we are signing on that path. And similarly, 4500 government servant on the state level who have been working in different state of different states, we are signing automatically on the document path of Amit Kumar Jha. We are coming into document system, and we are becoming self-employed government job under the control of room number 126. And by the guidance, we will be organized by the organized self-employment ministry. We will do organized self-employment ministry worship by the pair making. For Shiv Shakti pair, we will in English welfare power, the Murti of Shiv Parvati, the Vishnu Lakshmi, the Ram Sita Krishna, the Amita Vilasa Chaturbhuj Lakshmi Murti of soil. English live money. Brahma Saraswati, that is ISBN, all the libraries, the Hindu writers who have written the book, the Brahma Saraswati, Veena Pustak Dharani, the Chaturbhuj, the law education, and the Adi Shakti Trinetra, and the her husband Shiva, and this each united god and goddess the worship Surya Chandra Navagrah Indra Sankadim Saptarshi, many types of goddess all over India whom we are worshipping, and we are seeing in our 4 squares and different colonies into one worshiped god and goddess. And our Bharat Mata, the Arvind Ghosh, the Devendranath Tagore, these types of the photo of the Bharat Mata which has been made, Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita, and we are the son 120 crore Aadhaar cards who are moving on this path. From 33 crore we have been moving to this path, and we are becoming self-employed government servant. What we are doing, that is being validated, and by the organized self-employment ministry, we are putting our chair and table according to the room. Illiterate, signature known, 5th pass, 8th pass, 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation, post graduation, MPhil, DLit, and PhD. And by the uniform system of employment, we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We will keep ourselves according to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. We have to see, and we will sign, and it will be ending in the Rashtrapati Bhavan of our New Delhi and Governor House of our state, because automatically by the document path we are in the control of our the leaders who have been guiding us. Only thing is that by the document system we are getting fiscal credit salary, and we are being arranged by them double salary. One is fixed salary from the organized self-employment ministry, budget minister, finance minister, who will announce as the railway budget is announced, annual budget is announced, this organized self-employment ministry budget, and this organized self-employment ministry will announce our fiscal credit salary position, because we are the representative in that. Signature known, illiterate known, 5th pass, 8th pass, 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation, post graduation, DLit, MPhil, and PhD. All categories are there, and double degree also we can say, right of educational certificate in capital value, and by preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, we will be connected by this, and the democratic election will be held like that only. Only thing is by truth and non-violence, by signaturing, we are putting our document in front of our organized self-employment senior managers who are being control of the various collectoriates automatically by the self-employment system. What work we are doing, that is being given validity. If that should be truthful work, automatically by the document system, we all families will become self-employed government servant, and we will become self-employed government servant. We will celebrate 16 February to 26 February 6 pair puja and Puspanjali and Artik, as we are celebrating the Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja and Shivratri and all. Similarly, 31st August to 11th September by 6 pair of Murti and by Puspanjali, Arti and Bhajan and all. And automatically, as we are celebrating Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, and we will repeat between this every 6 months that we are self-employed government, we were moving toward the employment equilibrium point. Employment point we will develop by the signature that will be fixed by the organized self-employed finance commission. We all will be under the control of the prime minister office and the CMO office by the control of the document system, because as we are doing election by the control of the document system, according to our information we will go and we will show. And the center organized self-employment ministry, we can sit in our office 24/7 according to our work. Automatically, gradually, by the investment, we can increase the investment as the faith and trust will generate, because gradually this system will improve us, because we will become silver. What we are fulfilling on the document, we are becoming the sons and daughter of the Kailasdham, Vaikundham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham by the document system. And we are making the document system 30,000 above and 30,000 below, because 70-30 ratio is there, and earning standard is also different. Those who are earning above 30,000 per month and below 30,000 per month, there is different, because the thinking and the way of living is also different. So gradually we can improve by the educational certificate in capital value. Our aim is to become human capital, because human capital is the aim. We are already becoming the sons of Kailasdham, Vaikundham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham. If everything is becoming normal, and at the equilibrium point we are understanding, we are putting at 31st August 1946, from where the Clement Attlee document is coming, because from there our 299 representative made the Constitution of India, and on that path we are moving. I am trying to put this story in 6 form, because the vote bank and everything is centered with the Amit Kumar Jha concept, and immediately it will be transferred to the 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs, and according to that the multinational government, educationists, scientists, legal lawyers, press, and to the women, and to the each united person government. By the document system, what we are doing, if we are knowing, also we are not knowing, we all are becoming self-employed government system. And by the uniform employment system, whichever railway station we are seeing, by the age and by joining, whenever we are requiring that yes we want self-employment government job, we are joining, and regularly then we are working in that. And according to that, regular working at 18 years, if we have any eventuality at 18 years we will require, then from 18 years any times we will start joining 18 to 32 years. According to our service, the pension and provident fund, gratuity, other allowance will be deposited, and then from 32 pension will be set of 18 and 32, and from 32 to 46 what we will work by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, according to the fiscal credit which has been given. Automatically, according to that, we will be setting the pension, and the 32-year pension, 18-year pension, and 46-year pension will increase us, and similarly 58 year. In this way, the fiscal credit which we are getting, that will also increase, and the fiscal credit salary will also increase. This is all documented. I am working from 2001. We have to understand by organized self-employment ministry system, by signing signature, we are becoming the dot, means the point where the Kailasdham, Vaikundham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham, that is Constitution Dham, where the members are rating 750 members and 4,500 members, and all industrialists and all educationists, all the women, and all the all the truth and non-violence, all the government represent democratic way. That point, Amit Kumar Jha point, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, from the document system we are adopting this system, and automatically by that table we will become self-employed. In the employment 30,000 below, we will not ask, because it is according to our work, because this is only privatization only, because what work we are doing, if we are able to make, like what how much 30,000 per month above we are giving employment, that is our quality. Like in the olden age, if we had the ox of four teeth, that was recognized as an standard. Similarly, like this, if 30,000 above, how much employees we are keeping, that is our standard. Means we have to understand on the document method, because it is of no utility, because it is like government economy. It is like like what it is, government economy in democratic way. What we are doing, that is okay, we are under the control of that. In the fiscal credit per month Swar Finance Election Commission of India, and automatically we are getting the self-employment government job. We are the vote bank of our political party. They are our senior brothers, and all are our senior brothers in that, because all are coming and going. It is the common method of self-employment, and by vice versa, by the court martial connection, immediately we can transfer to our one house. By court martial connection also I have tried to pay the control, because on the document method 6 rays are coming. One rays is coming from the Kailash Dham, one rays is coming from the Vaikunth Dham, Kshirsagar Dham, one rays is coming from the Adi Shakti Satya Dham, one rays is coming from the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, one rays is coming from the each united God and Goddess Dham, and one rays is coming from the government Dham. All rays are attaching at that, and the families has spread. We have been married into different families all over India, but on the front level, what our face is coming: Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, the Brahma Saraswati, the ISBN books which we have read, and we have become the Nobel laureate. We have achieved, because the Rabindranath Tagore also got the Nobel Prize. Before that, also ISBN libraries were there. Nalanda University and other types of libraries have been. Four Vedas, the 18 Puranas, 108 Upanishads, all have been there. So that means he has gone through that book. Then only that type of high class books, other types of books also he has read. On that basis, he was able to portray. Similarly, the Ramanujan, the different types of various types of people also have been trying to move on that basis. We have to understand on that basis we have been able to move the civilization. So we have to understand by the document method we will be able to move our civilization automatically. By this ray we are putting that ray in the document form and giving our control to the PMO and all that, and we will be able to move our civilization. So we have to understand this, the organized self-employment ministry and budget. This organized self-employment ministry and budget and this fiscal credit table will move our civilization, and we will develop a lot. We have to come together. We have to make uniform self-employment government system, and this will improve our system, because we will become the vote bank of the 750 MPs and MLAs and the 4,500 MLAs who are working in different states. By this fiscal credit salary, by the document method, we will be under the control, because self-employment government job will be our work, and whatever work we are doing in the truth and non-violence form, it will be controlled. This is an assumption. This is a democratic assumption which I have made from the Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, and on this basis we can be able to make organized self-employment ministry. Like the election commission, as we are controlling the full election of 130 crore and 90 crore voters, similarly by this 130 crore documented economy can be controlled by the system we have. Only thing is that the trust and faith we have to develop from all political party and all the members of our families who are working in the different sector, that yes, double system of salary. One is the uniform system where everything is uniform, and one is the 30,000 above and 30,000 below. Automatically everyone will be getting benefit. Anyone who is tortured in the eventuality will be also getting benefit, and those who are constant worker, they will also get benefit, because according to that we can plan our Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday fast. Automatically in the least economic system also we can develop, because where the unity is standing, similarly we will be able to develop, because the unity of us lies in the sacrifice which we have made from the time immemorial. This sacrifice should be united in the document form, and we should respect each other in the various form, and we should develop organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is guiding principle of our civilization, because the guiding principle of our civilization is also linked with the economical affairs, because these economical affairs are there which is controlling our sensation, because the organized self-employment ministry is trying to explain the by the fiscal policy analysis by the document signing method. In this way our document will be also safe, and we will also save, and we can sit in the center in the organized self-employment ministry according to our gradation in the different room, like this illiterate signature known room, like the signature known people room, like the graduation pass known room, the post graduation pass room, the various types of the PhD pass room. Like this it will be developed into a strong system, and we will be able to make organized self employment ministry. So